Welcome to the Naglog and welcome to Chacchoben. We just got off the ship in Carnival Jubilee. We're the only ship in port today here in Costa Maya. It was about a hour bus ride here to Chacchoben, Mayan ruins. So you can see we are at the first temple. There's a few different sites that we're going to go visit. This is probably the biggest. We don't know. We didn't pay attention enough on our bus ride over here.
I'm really excited because it's a nature preserve, so there's just wild animals and lush greenery all around us. It's beautiful.
They're letting us take some photos real quick, and then we're going to learn a little bit about the area and visit each of the different sites that they have available to us.
Okay? Vámonos. I know that you want to take a picture, so go ahead. I'm not gonna meet you over there, okay? In 10 minutes.
I barely cleared the first tower. I'm Mayan size.
First.
Get close to me. I'm gonna show you something here. Okay, family. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Remember that I told you that this is only the first temple. The temple 24. Something is inside? No. It's solid temple. And the Mayans, when they conquer another communities, they don't destroy. They rebuild over and over and over. That's why the temples it was taller and taller and taller. In the front side, we have a structure like this to see the solstice. Just on the corner, as soon as you're gonna walk behind of me, you can see another temple that is uncovered yet.
She said it takes 2 to 3 years to excavate each temple.
Got a velociraptor in there.
This temple is the most important area. This is the one that you can climb. What is the difference between the two stairs? Long time ago, Chacchoben, two period occupations. The pre-classic, 200 before Christ, to 600 after Christ. And the second period occupation, they occupied later on and they finished and abandoned Chacchoben and 1100 after Christ. When the archaeologists cleaned this area, they founded this structure. Remember that the Mayans don't destroy the first temples. They rebuilt over and over and over. So the second period occupation, it was that style. As soon as you're gonna climb, you're gonna see the twin temples. That's the entrance to the ceremony area. Then you're gonna see the Gran Basement on the temple number 1. Just on the other side, you're gonna see this temple. That we call it the Vessel Temple. You ready?
Yeah.
Vámonos. Some people call it the Temple of the Sun and the Temple of the Moon, or the Temple of the Fertility. Remember that the Mayans, they pray to the gods when the lady couldn't have a baby, they pray to the gods for the help, and they make ceremonies. We already visit the Science Temple, only front side, and this is the Ceremony Temple.
Is that a Mayan dance?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna get sacrificed so bad.
This is the fertility.
She's a winner. They sacrifice winners here.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
They sacrifice the winners.
No, this is the fertility temple. That's why I was cursing myself with the floss. You can't walk all the way around to the back. There's a little preserve back there. We're going to check it out.
Oh no, it's not on the back of this one. It's on the back of a different one. Yeah, it's the one down there. Is there like protecting it? The temples at the top are worth the steps. If you have trouble with steps, hopefully you have someone in your party that can help you up and help you down. You don't want to wait at the bottom of those steps. You want to head up to the top. It's truly breathtaking. The steps up aren't necessarily that hard, but the steps down, if you got weak knees, they might turn to jello.
Where is that Moses?
When they cleared this temple, they found that this stela really was broken. That's why it's not easy to see the numbers that the Mayans write it down over here. The stelas, normally the Mayan uses to show the government of the period. Everything is about the animals and the numbers that they write it down. But unfortunately, and the numbers, all the transcriptions, we cannot read completely. I already visit the front area of the Temple 24. We visit two temples, the taller one and the twins. That temples of that area was the ceremony area, and the other area is the residential area. The first period of occupation, it was the houses over here. According to research, we measured that it was only the residential area for the high society and the noble class, and the rest of the community, they lived all around. Later on, the second period of occupation, it was a trueque area. Do you know what does mean trueque? A trading, an exchange. Some fruits, gold, and other metals, precious, to make weapons, but they cannot pay with money. They have to pay with another things that the community has.
We've reached the last temple. Small, but powerful.
Tiny but mighty.
Still yet to find a monkey. We're gonna have bad luck with animals, just like our Alaska cruise, I guess.
We'll be the monkey.
But in fact, is the Temple 24 that is divided between two. Temple 24 on the front and the administrative temple on the back. When the archaeologists cleaned this temple, they found that this mural. Remember that I mentioned the calendars? That one calendar is with the movement with the sun, and the other is with the movement with Venus. And they found this transcription inside. It was not bound inside, and if you notice, that's the only entrance to Chacchoben. And we have more temples over there, more hills that is uncovered. The Chico Zapote is this tree. They make the lines to take the resin from the tree. They burn it to make the chicle. If you try on the chicle, it means that you try on the natural chicle from Quintana Roo. 10 pieces each one. I know that we are 40, so if you take a small party of this, okay, you can share with the others.
It's like a throwback to my childhood.
It's time to get back on the bus and head back to Costa Maya port. It's an hour bus ride, so we're gonna make sure we go to the restroom. There's some souvenirs. There's also some refreshments that you can get here. However, we're probably not gonna get anything and maybe just get something in port. It's the same stuff you can get in the port.
Maybe a tiny rock Mayan statue to add to my
Okay.
rock collection.
That actually is a good idea because we're not supposed to take rocks. We don't take rocks from places.
Yeah, never.
Never. All right, we'll see you back in port and then back on the Carnival Jubilee. Thanks for coming to take a trip with us.
Bye.